The African kingdom that still rules today, Buganda Kingdom, Uganda. In the heart of Africa, where rolling hills meet vast lakes, a kingdom's crown has never faded. Uganda, a legacy of kings, wisdom, and enduring pride. Centuries before modern borders, the Baganda people built a land of unity and tradition. From fertile plains to bustling villages, their culture thrived under the guidance of the Kabaka, the king. The kingdom stretched across hills and forests, a place where clans gathered and stories of ancestors
My advisors, the
shaped
kingdom's
daily
prosperity
life.
demands our
Uganda's
wise
strength
counsel and
came from its
steadfast
people,
unity.
disciplined and devoted, and a king whose word was law but whose duty was service.
Children,
Skilled in
hear the tale of
diplomacy,
our
the
ancestors.
Baganda traded
Their
with
wisdom
neighbors,
guides us, their
connecting
strength
lakes,
lives on.
rivers, and markets in a network of prosperity. Spirituality and ceremony guided governance, anchoring the kingdom in respect and shared identity. Every festival, every council, every handshake reinforced a culture of pride and order. When outsiders arrived, Uganda stood firm, not through conquest alone, but through resilience, wisdom, and adaptation. The kingdom weathered
Spirits
challenges
of our
without
ancestors
surrendering
guide our
its
path.
identity, preserving traditions that no
Bless this
empire
gathering.
could erase. Through negotiations and strategic choices, Uganda survived, a living testament to African leadership and endurance. Today, the Kabaka still reigns, not over armies, but over hearts and heritage. Ceremonies continue, clans honor their ancestors, and the kingdom's culture shapes the identity of Uganda itself. Uganda's palaces echo with stories passed
My
through
advisors, the
generations,
kingdom's
proof that a
prosperity
kingdom
demands our
can
wise
endure
counsel and
without
steadfast
losing its
unity.
soul. This is more than history. It is a living legacy, pride, power, and unity that stretches from past to present. Uganda, where the crown never falls, and the spirit of a people continues to shine.